Hello everyone, welcome back to the MySQL tutorial. Now in this session we are going to see some more queries as part of the select statement. Let's move to the query. Here we are going to use distinct class. Let's see how to use the distinct class. So MySQL distinct class is used to remove duplicate records from the table and fetch only the unique records. The distinct class is only used with the select statement. See here the syntax, you can observe select followed by distinct and then followed by the expression from table name. If you want to retrieve any specific records, we can use where condition, otherwise it is not a mandatory. Now let's see the example. So I want to retrieve unique date of joining records of the employees. Let's say if 5 employees who join in the same date of joining, I don't want the duplicate records of the joining date. I want a unique joining date records. Then at the time I can use distinct. So to remove this, you want to retrieving only the unique values of the particular column, we can use distinct keyword. Let's see how it's going to be executed. So I will use the query select distinct. What is my column? Join date from employees. See, by default all are unique dates. That's the reason we got all the records. There is no duplicate record here. Likewise, you can retrieve if any duplicate records are there, but you will get it only that particular record from the table. Now let's move to the order by class. Order by class. This is very important. The MySQL order by clause is used to sort the records in ascending or descending order. You want to retrieve the employees records based on any column. Based on the salary you want to display the records either ascending or descending, you can use that particular column. The syntax says that select followed by the columns whatever you want and from table name where condition, then apply the order by column on particular columns by using the keyword either ascending or descending. This is optional. You can use only the particular order by column name. Let's see the example. Here we can also use the order by clause without ascending or descending attribute. By default, if you are not using any ascending or descending attribute, by default it will give the result as a ascending order. Let's say this example, we want to retrieve the employees who are the order by salary. So here I mentioned the order by salary, but I did not mention any attribute either ascending or descending. But by default it is considered as a ascending order only. Let us see the employees whose salary are based on the ascending order, right? So let me run this query. So first I want to show you our actual table. Select star from employees. But see here, we don't have any particular order, right? On this employee salary, we don't have any order. I want employee salaries in a particular order based on the salary. So here what I want to do, I'll take the fields of first name, last name, comma, salary. From the table name is employees. There is no need of writing the where class. I don't want to restrict the condition, right? I don't want to filter the records. That's why that is optional. Now here I'm using directly order by, what is the column name? Salary. We have to ensure the column name is properly salary. Yes. See here, I'm retrieving all the records, 10 records, 10 rows, but the salaries are in ascending order 30,000, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 75, 80, 90 like this. If you want all the records in descending order, what we can do? We can use that keyword descending. See here. Let me try that. I'm going to write the descending order. Select ID, first name, last name, salary. From table name is employees. What is the next? Order by salary. Previously I did not mention any attribute ascending or descending. If you want to display in descending order, use the attribute descending. See what will happen. Same 10 records with descending order. So first 90,000, 80, 75, 70 like this. Previously we have ascending order. Now simply it is reverse in descending order. We can retrieve. For that we are using descending. There is another clause ASC we can use followed by ASC also for ascending order. Otherwise by default it will be ascending order. So likewise we can use ascending or descending orders. And also we can use these ascending and descending orders and retrieving the records on multiple columns at a time. So that is our next query. Let's see what is the next query. We want to retrieve the employees order by salary in descending. That is just now we have completed. And what is the next query? Retrieve the employees order by last name and then first name. We want to retrieve the employees ordered by last name and then first name. I'm using order by class. Previously I'm using for numeric values. Now we can also use the order by classes on names also. So here I'm using last name with ascending order and first name ascending order. Let's see how it is going to retrieve the employee records. So to start with, I want to retrieve actual table. Then I'll apply the query. So that why I'm writing every time the actual table, the result you need to compare with the actual table so that we can check whether the records are retrieving with proper condition is applied or not. Now I want ID, first name, last name and salary from the table employees order by, what is the order by column? I want to use last name as ascending order, first name is also ascending order. So we can also apply order by clause on multiple columns. Let's see here. Here I mentioned last name. The first I mentioned last name, it should be in ascending order. See here, ascending order. Start with B, next D, J, L, M, P, S and so on. After satisfying this condition only, it will check the first name which is in ascending or not. Here all the column names are not in ascending order, right? So first it will apply on the last name and then it will check the first name will be in the ascending order. Like this we can apply the order by class. In the next session we'll see how the group by class is going to be executed. Until then, happy learning. Thank you for watching this video.